Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can refer a friend on the Remitly website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, what we have to do we have to log in, and after logging in, we need to go to the refer friends section. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, you will be able to see the different types of options here. So as you can see now, what we have to do, give 10 euro and get 10 euro. As you can see now, what we need to do simply in the more detail. If you want to check out this in the more detail, get 10 euros discount after your friends send at least hundreds on their first transfer. Your referred friends will get 10 off their first transfer when they send 100 euros or more. So as you can see, they have this policy. You will get 10 euros as in bonus. So what we need to do, simply for inviting your friend, referring your friend, you have to copy the link, and you have to copy this link. You have to send this link to them. You can email this link, you can SMS this link. If you want to send out through if you want to send out through Facebook or the WhatsApp, you can also do that. You have these all methods. As you can see, your rewards and your free transactions, they have provided all the things here. So in this way you can refer a friends on the Remitly website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.